I'm going to attempt to do a quick video for CS lesson. This is Friday 1st of May and it'll be period 4. Probably will come out a little bit late. In theory, if you're not working on your humanities assignment, which in some ways I would prefer you to do this, but if you're not working on your humanities assignment, if you're going to an invitation to a banquet, 1.3. Now it has 9 verses about a banquet, and it's a banquet that Jesus went to, and he was telling a story. Then there's a little video of a song, and it's another song that it actually is from my fellowship days. So 1970s and 80s, I was going to youth group, and we actually had this song, and Mrs. Gallagher used to sing along, even though I'm still a bad singer, and I was a bad singer then. Then the work for today is actually called The Invitation, and it's to do something slightly different. It says, choose one of the following methods to retell the story in your words, in a modern context. Use the questions to scaffold your modern version. So you might go, okay, think about who was the person sending out the invitation? Go back to the verses. Where was the destination in the invitation of the original text? What was the ultimate purpose of the invitation? Why don't all people say yes? And it's a big clue to, they're responding to Jesus. So what would they be saying yes about? And why did the person writing the invitation keep sending it out when he got negatives? So you retell the story in your words, and you might give the background of the story first and then tell it in a modern context. Don't want you to do internet searches. I want you to think about it. And how would you do it? You could actually have an image and do a Facebook status, or as a tweet, or as an advertisement, because you're sending an invite out. Or as a text conversation, and it would be back and forth. I cannot come. Why can't you come? Because I'm really busy. I'm working. I'm on a Zoom call. Sorry, I can't even say it right. I'm on a Zoom call. I'm so busy. Make it relevant to our time. Thank you very much.